Let's do this. And we are live. Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? Welcome to another Rebels Chapter, aka Connectivity with Success. Yes, came back with another video. Today is the 11th of May 2025. So we're gonna talk about stock market, cryptos, bonds, and losers and winners, including the that are buying, what people are buying, what people are selling. So as we go into it, as you can see today, everything is making a new high, basically from Friday. Yes, it's 11th of May 2026. So yeah, man, let's break into it, man. If you like the video, please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go. So as you can see at the S&P 500, today it's up by 0.21. Dow Jones is up by 0.09. Nasdaq 100 is up by 0.17. That's the reasoning behind it today is because of Friday's new highs, and as well as the earnings report. Yeah, that's basically what's driving it today. So yeah, man. So the geopolitical as well with the oil has de-escalated. So everything is just a bit sluggish, slowish. Then we still have big themes like Apple and Intel. That's a merger deal. So far so good. So far so Gucci. So the tech and the strong earnings report and positive news in terms of people are still doing mergers as well. So, but everything overall, semiconductors are driving the stock market today, and then that's basically the US, right? If we're moving on to the European stocks, the DAX is up by 0.7%. FTSE 100 is up by 0.36. Then we have your Euro stocks 50 is down by 0.3438 to be exact. That that's a mixed picture actually. Yeah, man, it's mixed in terms of European stocks right there. And then moving on to Asia and Pacific indexes, the Hang Seng today is up by 0.05%. The S&P 500 200 today is down by 0.49%. The Nifty 50 is down by negative 149%. So yeah, man, that's basically what's happening. And then if we look at as well this index, the Japanese index, the Nikkei, we jump into it fully actually. So let me just open the major. Yeah. Major indexes. Let's go into world index actually. Oh, now world. I'm not gonna now. Too many countries, bro. Too many countries. Okay, let's see index futures. Yeah, this is much better actually. Yeah, man. As you can see here. Yeah, as you can see here, here's a clear picture of everything actually. Yeah, man. If you look here, the US Tech 100, it's up by 0.26. Small cap 2000 is up by 0.58. The VIX is up today by 0.33. It's below that figure today. So no one is selling a yeah, it's in between. No one is buying, no one is selling. We're still waiting for some sort of news in terms of the VIX. If it goes to 20, there's some sort of fear somewhere around the world. Yeah, but nothing has happened majorly around the world. Yeah, man, as you can see here, we go. I wanted to go into the Nikkei 225, the Japanese It's down negative 1.58. 1,000 points, bro. A lot of people lost money right there today. Topex is another Japanese index which is up today by 0.97. So it's not so bad, not so good, not so bad. So yeah, man. It seems that they're buying something else in the index instead of the Nikkei 225. And then moving on to the Hong Kong. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, that's the Hong Kong. The Henshin is currently up by 0.7%, 0.7%, 73. And then the China H shares is up 0.34, 32 to be exact. And we have the CSI 200. Today it's down by 0.58. So 0.58%. Then we're moving on to the world, like your Singapore MSCI. Today it's up by 0.71%. Nifty 50 is down by 1.54. Bank Nifty is down by 1.70. And then we have the T1 FTSE. T1 today is up by 1.76. So it's not bad, not good. And then we're moving on to your small cap companies. These are companies that make less than 1 billion. So there you have your indexes like your micro S&P 500, which is up today by 0.39. Micro Nasdaq 100 as well by 0.41%. Then we have your Russell Micro 2000, which is up by 0.76%. So far so good. Nothing boring, nothing interesting happening there today. And if we're moving on to commodities, something you can smell, feel, and touch. Commodities. Commodities. It's a fucking weird one all the time. Anyway, gold today is down by negative 13%. Silver today is up actually by 6%, 6.23%. Then we have copper, which is up by 2.66%. Then we have platinum, which is up by 3.35%. And then bread oil, it's up again. Fuck. It's up by 3.98%. Then you have your crude oil WTI, it's up by 4%. Yeah, currently up 4%. And natural gas is up by 5.15%. Then we have your heating oil. Heating oil is up by 3.24%. US coffee is also up by 2.71%. US corn is up by 1%. US wheat is up by 1.36%. Then you have your London sugar is up by 0.02%. US cotton is up by 1.94%. Then US cocoa is up today by 12%, 12.84. Beautiful, bro. So year to date, damn. So year to date, oil is up the most, then silver, then heating oil. So heating oil is number one, oil is 2, then you have your silver is 3, and then US cotton is 4. So those are the big 4 commodities that are up for the year to date. So from January to now May, which is not bad. So yeah, man, people who made bets on oil this year are up, roll closer. They're roll closer to a Lamborghini, basically. And then if we move on, we move on to your cryptocurrencies, cryptos. So today with the cryptocurrencies, it shows some sort of strength today actually. Bitcoin now is doing incredible, man. It's up 0.37%, currently playing at 81,672. Beautiful level. And then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is negative today. It's negative 0.74%, 0.76%. And then Ether is down by 0.01%. Then you have your XRP, which is up actually today, funny enough. It's up by 0.27%. Bitcoin, Binance, obviously, which is up by 0.59. USDC is by 0.02%. Then we have Solana. Damn, it's 97. Wow, people buying the shit out of Solana. So now, yeah, man, it's playing around 2%. It's up by 2.90% from 74. And then we have your Tron, which is down by 0.09, 0.03. Dogecoin is up today at 1.42%. Hyperliquid is down by 3%, 3.21%. So yeah, man, that's what's happening with cryptocurrencies. So more or less they're showing strength, and some strength also in stable coins and ETFs. So yeah, man, all in all, cryptos are doing quite well, man. They're doing quite well actually. If we were to look at the figures in the last 3 weeks or so, it's doing quite well. And then we're moving on to currencies. So today, to be specific, the US dollar now is sitting at 97. It's up by 0.02%. Not much happening there. It's okay, sluggish. It's okay. Nothing major. Nothing major happening with that one. Yeah, man, as you can see here, look at the crypto, look at the currencies, because we just moved from crypto. So the euro to the USD, that is down 0.09%. The British pound to the US dollar is up by 0.09%. And then the US dollar to the Japanese yen, it's up by 0.31. USD to the chef, which is up by 0.17%. Then we have the euro Australian dollar to the US dollar, which is up 0.06%. Then we have the euro to the British pound, which is down by 0.16%. We have your US dollar to the Canadian, the Canadian dollar, which is down by 0.10%. The New Zealand to the dollar is down by 0.07%. Euro to the Japanese yen, which is down by 0.21. British pound to the US yen, which is up by 0.37. So yeah, man, the dollar today is up. Nothing major, nothing interesting happening there today. It's quiet. And then we have your bonds. The bond market, the biggest market in all markets in dollar value. So this one has like billions to trillions flowing on a daily basis. That's why it's the biggest one. So as you can see here, we're looking at the four most important bonds, which is what is it? It's the 10-year, the 20-year. No. What the fuck am I saying? It's the 30-year, the 10-year, the 5-year, and the 2-year. Those are the three most important ones, right? So the 30-year, it's currently yielding at 4.9. Yeah, 4.9%. Today it's up again by 0.36%. The 10-year bond, it's currently yielding at 4.4. It's up by 0.92%. Then we have the US 5-year, which is up by 1.1%, obviously. And then we have the 2-year, it's up by 0.98%. So yeah, man, with the bond market, it's bracing for an inflation, and yielding reflecting the mixed Fed outlook, right? And the oil driven inflation concerns. So, those are the three things that are driving this one, the bond market. So, the Fed's um, mixed remarks, cost and uncertainty. So, that's increasing that. And also inflation and oil driven concerns. So, yeah, man, that's what's happening today with that. Yeah, man, overall, uh, so gonna make a run through what you call these M&A, so mergers and acquisitions, right? Mergers are mergers and acquisitions normally happen when when a big company is buying a small one because of it's too late to copy them. It's too late. So if you can't join them, you buy them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what Mark Zuckerberg knows best. Instead of creating another, since he has Facebook, instead of creating another Instagram, he just bought them because he was sick and tired of competing with them. So that what normally happens. So now, the most important one today, M&A, was the GameStop. GameStop reported a big bet interest into eBay. So man, we're still waiting news on that one of how much. But the same old so far. How far they've went, but they made a bid into eBay so far. That's going to be an interesting one. So they made a bid into eBay. They want to compete. So right, they want to compete with Amazon in terms of e-commerce slash gaming, right? And collectibles because they're collecting collectibles. But yet, dude, look at the stock, bro. The stock has been drowning. Like people on Wall Street think this is a bad news, bro. For some reason, they think this is bad for the company. Yeah, man. I guess we'll find out soon. Ever since, look at this shit. Ever since the news now, this thing was supposed to be at 26 to 30. Since the end of the month, ever since people are selling, they just ever since those news, ever since your market made a bet that this is bad news and it's going to create a lot of selling. So I guess people are taking it into effect at the current moment, man. So yeah, man, that's what's happening in terms of mergers and acquisitions. When a big company, when a small company is being bought by a big company, or they're merging together to create one something big, right? And yeah, man, that's about it there. And then we're moving on to our big wins today for the day on 11th of May. Hey, that's all. The company called Inno Data. It's an AI company as well. Inno Data, it made a big move earlier pre-market. I don't know if I'm gonna find it though. There we go. Got it, got it, got it. Yeah, so so what's happening now. It made a big move this morning. It was up 10%. Now it's up 21.82%. Current price is sitting on Jesus 100 from 45. Damn. Let's see. So they did report earnings report. So they beat the earnings report basically. Ever since the earnings report. And let me see. Yeah, it seems like people didn't know about this company. So now they started buying it. It's been there actually. They're like an AI company. Let me just remember what they specifically do. But yeah, These are like one of those AI companies. Anything that says AI nowadays is gonna go to the moon, like literally, with no debate. So people think for some reason this is like a, yeah, like an underdog. It operates as a data engineering company in the United States, Netherlands, Canada, Germany, Belgium, and internationally. So yeah, man. So the DDGS segment engages in provisions of artificial intelligence, trading, training, and post-training data. Yeah, man. So yeah, they basically are doing AI in medical records and for insurance. Basically, they're helping. So they're helping the healthcare in terms of flow and operational. So instead of having like a big file, it just click the name into the file, boom, bam, we got it. That type type of technology. So yeah, man, that's what one company is driving today. The other one is a Wall Street favorite, Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab was big and at the pre-market actually. Pre-market it was killing it. Let's just see now. Because these things fluctuate and they change every minute. Because it's what? Let me see, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's been like close to 4 hours. Yes, so it's been 4 hours since the stock market has been. Shit. Let me find this way. VX. Let's see if we can find it here. There we go. Rocket Labs. So yeah, man, that's one of the companies that is up today. Rocket Labs with the ticker RKLB. So that's one of the companies that's been crushing it this year. It's a nice company. So they are in aerospace and defense. Rocket Labs. Current price is at 118. So it's up by 12% so far. So yeah, man, that's one of the companies, Rocket Labs. We have another one called Fluence Energy. I'm trying to find it. Some of these companies are hard to find, bro. It's the ticker. The name might be right, but like the ticker might be wrong. But let me see. Let me see the site. So yeah, man, that's one of the companies that are up today. Nothing interesting has happened today. Seems quiet. So yeah, man, it seems quiet so far. So overall, to summarize what's going on, it's the geopolitical. It's when the ongoing U.S. and Iran tensions keep elevating. They are oil elevated. That's the word I'm looking for, and added uncertainty. So Donald Trump posted a resolution. When was it? Last week, and the markets have been steadily unrattled so far. And the second thing is the Apple and Intel to manufacture some of the chips for um, Apple devices, a big win for Intel foundry ambition and US chip policies. So yeah, man, Intel has been driving up on that. And then the third thing that's come driving the stock market is the continuation momentum in AI related names and hyperscalers, a new $1 trillion club powering the boom. So that's the three companies. Those are the three companies we just spoke about that's been driving it today. And then the last one is the earnings report. So the earnings report are basically just supporting. It's been supporting the market more or less. So everything's positive because now we're going to see the biggest beat in in like a while. So probably might see like 5% of companies not meeting their earnings report forecast. Still, dude, that's still like 95%. So that's still a negative. So some of the federals cut expectations, pushed back. So yeah, man, overall, those four things that's what's been driving the stock market. Yeah, nothing interesting there. If you like the video, please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.